The U.S. is reportedly open to providing some much-needed assistance to North Korea. Washington can provide vaccines to help the regime combat the pandemic, a gesture that could reignite bilateral talks. Dami has our top story.
The Biden administration is willing to share COVID-19 vaccines and other humanitarian aid with Pyongyang to help the regime overcome the global pandemic. CNN reported Monday that, according to sources familiar with internal discussions, Washington believes that North Korea will not be ready to engage with the U.S. until the threat of COVID-19 has gone. In the meantime, sources say North Korea has acknowledged receipt of the Biden administration's recent offer to explain its new policy, and experts say this is a positive sign.
The U.S. will be able to explain the new policy in detail through working-level talks, after which the North will have discussions internally and then sit down with Washington again if they think there's more to add or revise.
A decision on those initial talks is expected to be made after Pyongyang finishes its own high-level reviews. If the talks do happen, U.S. will reportedly explain the new policy in detail to the North first and then decide what specifics of the policy to unveil afterwards. In line with Washington's policy of taking a calibrated, practical approach to the North, Seoul has also underlined that path as a way to resume dialogue between Washington and Pyongyang.
The South Korean government, including our embassy, has been in close communication with the U.S. administration from the early stages of Washington's North Korea policy review.
In view of the North's apparently positive response, the new U.S. policy and strategies for resuming dialogue will be top of the agenda at the summit next week between the South Korean and U.S. leaders. Before this first acknowledged contact, the Biden administration had tried to engage with the North multiple times but was ignored. Dami, Arirang News.